In this video, I'm going to be showing you a SuperOffice CRM tutorial. So in this guide, I will walk you through the basics of SuperOffice CRM to improve your business process. So SuperOffice CRM is designed to help businesses manage their customer relationships efficiently, automate sales and marketing tasks, and provide a streamlined experience for customer service. So whether you're new to CRM systems or simply looking to get familiar with SuperOffice, this tutorial will help you get started. So now, first, what is SuperOffice CRM? So SuperOffice CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management software, or CRM, designed to help businesses manage their interaction with clients and leads. It offers a wide range of tools for sales automation, marketing, and customer support, all focused on improving customer experience and increasing sales. SuperOffice CRM is popular among small to mid-sized businesses due to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive feature set. So why SuperOffice CRM is beneficial? So using SuperOffice CRM offers multiple benefits. First is centralized customer information. So you can keep all customer data in one place, accessible by your entire team. Next is streamlined sales process. So you can manage leads, track deals, and automate repetitive tasks, making your sales process more efficient. Next is improved customer service. So keep track of customer interactions and service tickets to ensure that all customers' queries are handled effectively. Next is enhanced collaboration. So with the cloud-based nature of SuperOffice, teams can collaborate more effectively. So with all data and updates available in real time. Now the key benefits of SuperOffice CRM is first, its increased sales efficiency. SuperOffice CRM streamlines your sales process by organizing customer data, tracking leads, and managing your sales pipeline in one place. This efficiency leads to faster deal closures and helps sales teams stay organized and productive. Next is enhanced customer service. SuperOffice CRM improves customer service by providing teams with easy access to customer history, inquiries, and communication records. This allows your team to respond to customer needs promptly and with personalized support, improving customer satisfaction. Next benefit is task automation. So one of the key benefits is task automation features. It helps automate routine tasks such as sending follow-up emails, scheduling appointments, and generating reports. So this reduces manual work and frees up more time for strategic activities. Next is better data management. With SuperOffice CRM, all your customer data is stored in a centralized database. This makes it easy for your team to access important information such as contact details, previous interactions, and sales history. So having everything in one place ensures that you never miss a beat in your communication. So next is key features of SuperOffice CRM. So the first key feature is sales management and pipeline tracking. SuperOffice CRM offers powerful sales management tools that help you track deals from start to finish. So the sales pipeline feature allows you to visualize every stage of the process. So you know exactly where each deal stands. You can assign tasks, set reminders, and forecast potential revenue based on your pipeline. Next feature is contact management. With SuperOffice CRM, you can easily manage your contacts. So each customer or prospect has a dedicated profile where you can store contact details, notes, and communication history. So this feature allows you to stay organized and ensures that all interactions are logged and easily accessible. And the other key features are task and calendar integration. So They have an integrated calendar and task management system that syncs with your workflow. So you can schedule meetings, set reminders, and manage tasks all within the platform. The calendar integrates with popular tools like Outlook and Google Calendar, making it easier to keep track of appointments. And the next feature is marketing automation. So it's a tool that helps you streamline your marketing campaigns. So you can create personalized email campaigns, track customer engagement, and analyze the performance of your campaigns, all from one dashboard. So this feature helps businesses reach their target audience more effectively and improves marketing ROI. So now let's proceed on the website. So as you can see in the SuperOffice CRM website, you'll see their about right here. You can also watch a video to see what SuperOffice CRM really is. And as you can see, it's trusted by thousands of other European B2B companies like this companies right here. So this makes this software pretty legit and useful. As you can see, it's a CRM solution that runs the whole company, such as the sales, marketing, service, strategy, and IT. So why you win with SuperOffice? So they have established CRM strategies, user-driven simplicity, and dedicated CRM companion. So now we can see a bunch of different sections and tabs right here in the top. So you will see their products, such as CRM platform, sales, service, marketing, apps and integrations, AI and CRM, industry. So these are all of the industries that use SuperOffice CRM. Also go here to consult. And now let's move on to pricing. So as you can see, they have four different plans right here, or four different subscriptions that has the features right here. So you can also compare price plans to see a more detailed comparison of the plans. So of course, you need to read all of this and make sure that all of your needs is in that specific plan that you need. So you need to read first before choosing a plan to make sure that everything you need is available. So basically, in conclusion, Super CRM is a versatile tool that can help businesses of all sizes manage their customer relationships, sales, and marketing more efficiently. By centralizing customer data, automating tasks, and providing real-time insights, SuperOffice CRM allows businesses to focus on what matters most, building strong relationships and closing deals. So basically, that's all about it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.